Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present our research in our study. But first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jeva Danar Indra Wijaya. I'm collaborate with Mrs. Anissa Bikuning and Mr. Muhammad Hafnan to complete our study of the engine knocking in different fields in bibliometric review during 2013 until 2022. In these presentations consists of the introduction of the research, and then the research and the methodology, then the result and discussion, and then for the final presentation, the conclusion and suggestions. Introduction of the research. The internal combustion engine and its applications. The internal combustion engine have the several applications for the transportation, automotive, and the industrial. The engine can be operated with the high temperature and the pressure to create chemical energy from chemical energy to the mechanical energy and can produce the rotation movement to generate any applications. The application also can be used for any purpose, including the generation, transportation, and any industry. The research and development for the internal combustion engine. On the other hand, the high performance efficiency from the engine can be maintained and can be increased, but day by day with the research and the development for the engine. The gas pollutant, we should be create the less production from the engine. The engine also can produce the less pollutant if the utilization of the fuel can be in line with the engine specifications. But the problem for the internal combustion engine, we can be know for the knocking and then for the durability, is it can be happen for the each engine, especially for the internal combustion engines. This issue also can be solved with this result and developing. The objective of this result, we also can be visualization and the mapping of the topic result from the engine knocking in different fuel with the software fast viewer. And this methodology of the research, we have the three phases to complete this methodology. The first one, the data collections. The data collections, we can choose the article title, abstract, and the keyword before we input to the software. After this section is complete, we can move to the next step. In this step, we can using the web of the Science Direct to get the information and collection the data. And we can choose the type of the document from the abstract and the journal. And also we can select the period of the publication from 2013 until 2022. So we can make the limitation for the publications, institutions, and area in these sections. And the next page, in page 2, we also can export the data analysis to the software for viewer. After we complete this export data, we also can analyze bibliometric and visualization information in the software. The auto res, country, a period, and also the keyword we can input in this step. To complete this method, and the last page, in the page 3, we also can data analyze. In this section, the analyze and discussion of the result, we can complete to finish the research methodology. During this research, we also can make a limitation to make the research. We can put the 9 area criteria for the searching category, included the platform. We can use the website Science Direct, also the type of research, and then the subjects area. We can put the knocking, engine, internal combustions, and also the type of the access. We can choose the open access and the your publication, subjects area, type of documents, language, and this data access, we collect the data in June 2022. And the output of the visualization, we can get the information result within these applications for viewer, and this screen can be see the country by the publication and citation, and China and United States, the citation is the above, and the above 1,000 citations. And India, United Kingdom, Germany, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Italy, South Korea, and France, the citation is the below of the 100s. And can we imagine how many country make the document also in the right column? The China have the 103 document for related to this study of the engine knocking. In these result and discussions, the data result from the first viewer discover 8 clusters, and this cluster can be collect the any terms and link with the others terms to the others link. The combustion term is the most popular use, around 322 terms, and the combustions is the popular in 2018, and the China is the country with the highest research in 2022. In these conclusions, we can obtain 379 publication articles. Mr. Wei H is the author with the most saved 20 documents related to the engine knocking publications. The latest research is it related to the pollution and the emissions. The suggestion is the utilization of the fuel should be met with the engine specifications. Development of the alternative energy should be aided in the research. Thank you for attending our presentations.